So welcome once again to everyone. So hello Nivedita, hi Shravan sir, hello Chandan, Tejasri, and Vivikta, hello Geeta ma'am. So thank you for joining. Um, as you read in the write-up I have sent, we are going to know why we are only, yeah, as I said, why we should only make a bigger impact in this world. Why only we? Okay, and why should we? So we are going to discuss these things. So before going to that, if possible, Tejasri, Chandan, Nivedita can come on the video, if possible. Uh, just a small activity. I know I'm not very good at getting you into that meditation mode like Lidvija does, but I'll just try to. Okay, uh, just close your eyes. Just close your eyes. I hope those who are not on video also following my instructions. So just close your eyes and take a deep breath at your own pace. Yeah, Surya just logged in. Welcome, Surya. We just started the activity. So take calmer and deeper breaths. So just think about yourself, what you feel yourself, what you love yourself. Slowly, no hurry. Take your own time. Keep taking breaths at your own pace. Now, just think about your day today. How was it? If it is good, please tell it through your smile. And if it is not good, give a more wider smile. Huh? So, Nivedita, okay, Tejasri, more wider smiles. Yeah. So now just go a little deeper and think of your big dreams. Think of your own big dreams that you want to achieve in your life, that you want to show to the world by working on it daily, that you want to create in this world. Touch your infinite potential. Chandan, need not be that harsh. Be calm. Be calm. Don't open it. Don't open it. Just just be cool and just imagine about your bigger goal and keep imagining it. Bring it alive. Slowly start thinking about it as if it is alive now, as if you are doing it now, where you are experiencing the infinite you, where you are experiencing the fully potent you, where you have no inhibitions, where your self-confidence is at peaks, where you have no fears. Just keep imagining about it. Just keep dreaming about it. If you are seeing it alive, that big dream live in your imagination, I think I can see a smile on your face right now. Because like it became possible. Just see it. See it becoming possible. And you are doing it with your full potential. Now, slowly, as I said, you thought about today. Think whether you have remembered your dream today, your big dream. Whether you have realized any small thing, very minute thing about that big dream today. Just think. Just think. And slowly think about your past days, where you are dreaming about your big dream, where you are growing your thoughts and actions towards your big dream. And now slowly think of the challenges that you have come across while thinking about it or while doing it. Might be small, might be big, but the challenges which are inevitable, which are part of the journey. Think about only those challenges. Think about only those criticisms that you have came across while dreaming them, while doing them. Just think about the moments where you are being questioned about your big dream and you are being told that it is not possible. You are mad. I repeat, you are mad. And it's not going to be possible. Think of all those. And now just try to see it from an angle where these challenges are being dealt by the fully potent you, which you have seen in the beginning, who is fully self-confident and who is fully confident on his bigger dream and is working towards it. Do you think those challenges are really the challenges? Do you think those questions are really going to add value to your dream? Those criticisms? Do you think you should be stopping at those questions only? You can just nod your head as a response if you can. And do you think your present self, what you are today, is capable of doing that big dream? Do you think the same present self, the same confident you right now is ready and is excited to face the challenges again and again that you have came across in the past? Are you ready? Are you feeling it ready? Whether you are ready, or any inhibitions, any fears. Whenever you come across that feeling of fear, just remember you are fully potent you who is working on the bigger dream. Just you, the more confident you, the better you, the more clearer you, and the fully potent you. So are the challenges that are going to be coming in the future really going to challenge yourself? Yes. But are they going to stop you? Do you think they are necessary, those challenges? Yes, they are necessary. Whenever you come across that challenge, you'll stop for a while and gain more clarity towards your bigger dream and find a reason of why you should be the one to make it possible, right? So keep that fully potent you alive every day. Think about your big dream every day. And if you ask me why, you're born for that. You are here to make that possible. You are here to prove that to the world. And it's only ourselves that is the barrier between that fully potent you and your bigger dream. So you can slowly come out. Don't leave that fully potent you there only. Bring it with yourself. Bring it with yourself. Come into the call. Come into the present. Come into the present. Okay. So how you are feeling? A little bit more confident?
Little bit energy.
Little bit more energy. Little bit more excitement. So, yeah. Hey, Sri, you can just